I've literally got no rules about, which is really bad. They're all in my table in the house. This is the original guide, and all I've literally done is there's a wooden block, then there's two wooden blocks which fit onto it, and they've got long slots so I can adjust them in and out. That's it. It's just literally bolted through the back, and I literally did the measurement enough so it buries the guide, and if anything ever goes wrong, instead of it chewing up your blade, you end up with a little tiny V cut here. I see it. Yeah, these are adjustable. And then that normally drops down. But what I have done here, so I've got my block which sits inside there, as you can see it's just there, yeah? On the back I will fit a square tube here which drops down the back to be my adjustment guide. It'll just be a square tube, and then the same way that fastener is bolted in. That's definitely over 1 inch. That's 2.5, something like that. I know I can resaw that because that's what I just resawed. I'm going to see if I can straight cut a veneer out for you. I don't know if I can. So this will be an experiment for me. That's it. About 2mm on the standard Screwfix fence. About 2.5mm board. Let's see what we can do. I already had a slight cut there, so it stopped. This is out. It has a crack in the wood already through there, naturally. Ah. Now, I'm just going to do a straight cut. I did it with one hand as well. It was like quite hard. Gauge it. Right there, literally spot on to the millimetre. Look if you can see it that way. Oh, that way. Even totally straight. Found my ruler. Four point 4.4. 4.4. There we go. They're exact. And 4.4. Yeah, you want your blade like, I can't remember how to press it. Even with that big a gap, it will not. How can you see that? Just like a guitar. No hollow, tinny sound. That does not go tight enough. So yeah, get 5mm shorter. And then the way to load it is, because they don't detension enough as well either to get the other springs on, even though this is 160 at the minimum. You put this in here, and you pull down, and you can get your blade on a piece of piss. Loads of oak to find it and get it right. With 3/16 you can do really easy tight curls easily. Yeah, see how straight it is. It can drop straight through. Tight, just like that. See? I even cut out reindeers and stuff like that. 3D veneered pieces of hardwood to put in between my boxes. I'm doing a guitar. This will be a box and box.